Now, one of the worst things you can go through as a man is the embarrassment of dropping your shots and people laughing at you. Now, in my own case, my girlfriends, I had a girlfriend that just got off the bed and put her clothes back on when she saw the size of my penis. Now, believe me, I thought the world was going to end. And I decided at that point that I had to find a way out. I had to find a solution. And thank God I found the penis enlargement remedy. Now, this penis enlargement remedy review is just, the reason why I'm doing it is to give you a brief summary of what you can actually expect. Now, the penis enlargement remedy does not involve popping any stupid pills or wearing any stupid extenders all day long. It also does not involve any stupid exercises. Now, the penis enlargement remedy harnesses the power of stem cells to get more penis tissues in your penis, thereby leading to natural penis growth. Now, the way it's laid out in a step-by-step manner. They give you a step-by-step approach of what you need to do in order to ensure that your penis naturally grows. So you increase in size, in girth, and as well as the length of your penis. Now, the results are absolutely amazing, and I must tell you, my partner was blown away. Now, I never knew, before this happened, I never knew the kind of self-confidence a larger penis could actually give me, and it's been absolutely amazing. Now, having a bigger penis will make you appear more attractive to your partner. It will make you better sexually, and you feel more powerful, masculine, and very, very attractive as well. Now, if you're suffering this predicament, now today is the day you need to stop suffering in silence and check out the penis enlargement remedy below right now. Just click in the link below this video right now, and you can start to achieve those results that you really, really want. Thank you very much, and have a great day.